Did you know your 30s are your most critical decade for building wealth? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make the most of it. What is happening, everyone? Jason Schappert here with Moolah, bringing you hopefully what you'll perceive as some more financial wisdom. So are you in your 30s? If so, this video is for you. If you're in your 40s, this will still pertain. And if you're in your 20s, you are wise beyond your years. Already watching this video. Speaking of that, like and subscribe as well so you continue to get more great tips for unlocking your financial freedom. So the 30s are like the crucial decade to start building wealth. I want to share with you 3 simple tips that you can take now to really set this decade up for multi-decades of generational success. Tip number 1 is, how can we expand our income? What is the side hustle? Where is the promotion opportunity? What is the business we can launch? How can we be maximizing our income? What is the additional certificate I can take to get a promotion? What is the additional side hustle? What is the added, machinery I can add to my business to make myself more effective? What can I do? We often think of maximizing income as like top line revenue, but if you're a business owner in your 30s, first off, kudos to you. I know it's cool to focus on top line revenue, but what can we do to improve bottom line profitability there as well? Business owners, be thinking about that. How can we maximize our income? Number 2, I need you to aggressively be paying off debt. I know you want to go on that family vacation, but I'd rather you pay off your credit cards than put that vacation on a credit card. Do you follow me? I'm telling you, this is the decade where either debt is going to dictate your future or you are going to dictate it. You are going to be a lender and not a borrower in the future instead. This is the decade that dictates that. Start paying down your debt. And when I say debt, I'm not Mr. Anti-debt, by the way. I'm okay with a mortgage at an advantageous interest rate. I'm even okay with a car loan as long as the debt to value ratio on that is less than 50%, meaning you put 50% down. So when you drive it off the lot, you don't get eaten alive. You understand what I'm saying there? I'm against bad debt. I'm against your Amex card at 28%, your Visa card at 28%. I'm not against Visa and MasterCard, by the way. They are very profitable companies doing very, very well. Let's invest in their stocks, right? Because many people aren't following this advice. That's why I want you to think about, how can you aggressively begin paying down debt? And number 3, start investing now. I mean, like today. Don't tell me you don't know how. There's so much information. Subscribe here. We talk so much about investing here. Low-cost index funds, things that mimic the S&P 500. You can make these smart, informed decisions. It's not quite set it and forget it. It's pretty darn close to that. Don't go become a day trader. It's very, very hard to make money day trading. I don't do that. I make smart investments at the right time, and I buy and hold for a very, very long time. And I let compound interest really, really work and enjoy long-term capital gains, not these short-term capital gains. More on that in future videos, so like and subscribe. But I'm telling you here, your 30s are the decade. Let's work to get ahead. Leave me a comment down below. Maybe in your 40s, your 50s, and there's something you wish you would have done. Well, write a comment to your 30-year-old self, because there's some 30-year-olds that are reading this right now that are going to need your wisdom. Thank you so much. Have a blessed, abundant, outstanding rest of your day. See y'all.